So when we look around us, the terrorism which is happening, and obviously it is happening in the name of religion. It is happening in the name of religion. So first of all, we have to create an awareness. What is the root cause of terrorism? The fundamentalist, the radicalists who are using religion or in the name of God, killing people. So going to the grassroots level and making everyone aware of what is real religion. The foundational principles of dharma, which is to spread peace and harmony, which is the opposite which these people are doing. In fact, they are creating so much of unrest and disharmony, wherein religion is supposed to create peace and harmony. So, the question is, what is ISKCON doing? Forget about, we see terrorism happening, in such a rampant way just in the recent past. We had Srila Prabhupada who established ISKCON 50 years ago. 1966, Prabhupada established ISKCON. And the name Prabhupada gave International Society for Krishna Consciousness. Not Indian Society, not American Society, not European Society, not Russian Society, International Society for Krishna Consciousness. That was the name Srila Prabhupada gave. And Srila Prabhupada often would say that you see United Nations, outside the headquarters of United Nations, you will have so many flags of all these countries. The building is called United Nations, but then you see so many flags. And it appears that so many disunited flags in front of a United Nations building. And then Prabhupada would say, you come to the ISKCON society, you have, forget about a Britisher and an Indian who were at one point of time during the freedom struggle at loggerheads. They are together. What to speak of they being together? You have German devotees and Jews dancing together in Kirtan. Prabhupada in Bombay, he arranged a marriage of the lady from Australia and the husband from America. And Prabhupada said that here is, it's not just, we hear of intercaste. Here is, the country is totally changing, the culture is changing, but what is bringing them together? One flag. And that flag is the flag of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So Prabhupada through ISKCON is actually showing what is the anti-terrorist squad. In fact, ISKCON is nothing but anti-terrorist squad. Because herein, I was trying to make this point. Forget about, an Indian and a Britisher supposed to be at loggerheads, but they are together, dining and living, surrendering their lives. You have Jews and Germans. If you know the history, what Germans, Hitler did to Jews, they, Radhanath Swami and Sachidanand Maharaj, Sachidanand Maharaj in ISKCON is from Germany, and we have Radhanath Maharaj was born in a Jew family. Both of them, such thick friends, dancing together, and one time, one Mayapur Yatra, both of them sitting together, giving a talk, and they were saying, if it was not Srila Prabhupada, if it was not the International Society for Krishna Consciousness, Can you ever imagine a German sitting on the same platform with a Jew, embracing each other and dancing with each other? Can you ever imagine that? What to speak of that? We have devotees from the Islamic countries. We have devotees who are Muslims, who are following Islam, and now they are devotees. And in fact, if you hear how Krishna consciousness is spreading in the Middle East, you go to Dubai, you go to Sharjah, you go to all these Middle East countries where Krishna consciousness is, so wonderfully spreading in such a peaceful manner. So obviously, if a person with sane intelligence can see what miracle Srila Prabhupada has done in regards to terrorism, everything. Prabhupada has given the entire formula, the supreme peace formula Srila Prabhupada has given, wherein there is no bar for caste, creed, gender, color of your skin, which language you speak. You have Chinese, they don't even have that alphabet R in it, in their vocabulary. They are chanting Hare Krishna. What kind of food they used to eat, now they are following the four regulative principles and, vegetarians and all that. Africans, people coming from such backgrounds of, maybe their ancestors were all cannibals, and now they are all like, such wonderful Vaishnavas. So, forget about terrorism. Prabhupada has gone so far beyond terrorism, and Prabhupada has brought this, supreme peace formula wherein, he said, I would conclude with this statement which is about Prabhupada, that Prabhupada created a house in which the whole world could live, including the terrorist.